Dreaming of your own backyard retreat? Making it a reality is easier than you think with Latham Pool. Escape every day. No passports and no reservations. Latham's premium handcrafted pools are ultra durable for any climate and can be installed in weeks, not months. Latham's advanced composite technology ensures your pool will look like new for years to come. For 65 years, Latham has been the gold standard in bringing backyard dreams to life. With pools that are easy to care for, that won't fade, stain, or crack, and never require costly resurfacing. Bring your style to life with hundreds of shapes, sizes, colors, and features, like customized spas, tanning ledges, water features, and more. And with our fast and flexible financing partners, your dream is finally within reach. Visit lathampool.com to get started today.